Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issue in ARC riders, including no sound, crackling, or destroyed audio on your PC.
Check your audio output device. Step 1. Right-click the sound icon on the taskbar. Step 2. Select Sound Settings. Step 3. Under Output, make sure your headphones or speakers are selected. Step 4. Test the sound again in Fix 2. Restart Arc Raiders and Windows Audio Service. Step 1. Close Arc Raiders completely. Step 2. Press Windows R, type Services, MSE, and press Enter. Step 3. Find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Step 4. Right-click each one. Restart. Step 5. Launch the game again. Fix 3. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Go to Library, Arc Raiders. Step 3. Click Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. Step 4. Wait for the process to finish and then restart the game. Fix 4. Disable Spatial Sound. Step 1. Right-click the sound icon. Spatial Sound off. Step 2. Launch Arc Raiders again to test if the issue is fixed. Fix 5. Check in-game audio settings. Step 1. Open Arc Raiders, Settings Audio. Step 2. Ensure master volume and sound effects are not muted. Step 3. Apply changes and restart the game.